All right, guys, we are super excited because remember when we used to have that series? I think that guy, what was that guy's name?
Oscar.
Yes, Oscar, aka Lance the #SkateGod, started it, where we would find the cheapest things on Amazon. Well, we got a new website. Where this website came from, I am not sure, but it is called wish.com. And we got this box from them, and it says, and chair, handle with care, this side up, fragile, keep dry, no trampling.
Wait, this is a skateboard and it says no trampling?
I'd just like to give this a little review. First of all, this seems to be like the weakest bubble wrap I've ever seen. Feel some of those bubbles, guys. But I do really, really want to ride over this. We bought this penny board, which is not a penny board. It's a fake. This is like an extreme knockoff. Even the grip tape is the same, but it doesn't say penny, obviously. I've never heard this. I don't even know what wish.com is, but apparently the point of wish.com is to take regular items and get them for cheaper.
Yes.
Yes. That's correct.
How much did we pay for this? $17? $17
really
penny board.
good.
That's a steal.
That's a steal of a wheel. All right, well, first things first, let's ride over this bubble wrap. This is my favorite thing to do in the whole world.
What just happened?
It doesn't roll.
Oh, that was sad. Wish.com board and Wish.com sad bubble wrap. Oh, that was nice. It's like mini bubbles, though.
I know. Okay, well, that's over.
It's a bubble wrap. You see what I meant? It's a wrap, but it was bubbles, so the pun is bubbles, a wrap, bubble wrap. It's a wrap, bubble wrap.
All right, first things first, the bearings do not roll. These guys are shouting full park, full park, full park.
Oh, no.
Daniel's first. Luke is second.
My technique is
I am third. Go ahead. Hardcore mode, on. Hardcore mode means if everybody lands it, you get the letter.
Means that if you do an ollie or a shove it, you're screwed.
Hardcore mode confirmed. This thing actually seems pretty delicate, not gonna lie. My glasses pulled my weight off.
Did it bend all the way to the ground?
A lot.
If it doesn't break, it's okay. The bendability is fine.
It's so plasticky, it feels so cheap, but I'm gonna hard flip it.
All right, let's go.
How did you do that?
It's called kickflip champion.
You have to be the penny board.
So if a penny board regularly is $120 and this was $17, I think we should call this 0.5 penny
So
board.
1,700. Never mind.
Uh-oh.
Bounces like a penny board. That was the scariest thing I've ever done in my life.
Hardcore mode, I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
Leave me alone.
But am I still on offense?
Yes.
Aaron's going hard. 3 stair already?
I ain't doing that.
Oh no.
Don't bail.
Don't you dare.
Can we get a horse
You get in
racing
there,
announcer
you
in
do
here to announce a game of skate?
Gabe cannot do this. No.
He's pedaling, he's turning on, he's turning right, up.
No way.
Yeah, I didn't say firecracker.
I'm sorry.
Step up gap. Dang it. This is impossible to ollie. Just impossible.
Oh, this is a bad idea.
Hardcore mode.
Hardcore mode, boys. Let's go.
That was the arm fat that hurts when you slap it. One chance was to get Uzi.
Whoa, that was easy.
If I get out hardcore mode by doing a bunch of tricks, at least I did some tricks.
You can't get out hardcore mode. You can't get out hardcore mode. It's part of the rules. No.
Roll up the bank fakie and do a fakie shove and then roll back in regular. This is my worst showing.
Luke is up. We're all out.
Not gonna lie, that looked really hard.
He did almost fall.
You see how wobbly that was? I almost died.
How did he not die on that?
Okay, fine. Switch drop then.
Don't think about it, 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 don't think about it.
Think about it.
Just like full blown. Don't do it.
Dude, no, I can't do it. What? That's so hard.
Full blown.
This is kind of sketchy on this, now that I'm thinking about it.
All right, let's go.
Sticking flat ground.
I'm gonna take it back to the 3 of the 60-degree variety. Flip, trick.
Regular penny board, you would land all these tricks really easily, but this one just makes no sense. Makes no sense.
Commence the overly long flat ground trick section. Tray, and then tray reef, the game's over. Boom.
You ever seen a drag racing car?
That was very scary.
No more messing around.
One wheel above that line.
I can't start a trick and not land it. Even if it makes me lose the entire game, I just can't. I just can't go through with that.
Why is he looking at me? He's
Felt like you were gonna hurt me.
No!
Because I was trying to kick flip out, that's why.
That's impossible.
It's impossible.
I'm just gonna try the wall ride again. Don't get mad. They can all turn if they want. I just thought fake it was to be me.
Ah, no! Oh, I got one more try.
I don't even go that high on me normal skateboard.
My time in this game has come to an end. It was an Honor Brothers.
Alright, I'm gonna try a ramp trick.
Hardcore mode, let's go.
I forgot about the hardcore mode. I forgot about the hardcore mode.
I know, I can't even do that on a regular skateboard.
I don't know what happened.
Let's go, tray flip.
I got a trick. However unpredictable it may be. They say it can't be done. Black Bigfoot or the Loch Ness Monster. 720 flip. You heard me rap, boy. I almost had it over there. Got another try.
T to T, Taco Tuesday, let's roll this. They didn't think it was possible.
Alright.
Yeah, boy. I told you. Keep going, just keep going.
I think it's easier falling because you just slide.
Definitely. Well, one thing I'm going to say about the Wish.com penny board is it did not break. It is still intact. We could actually still ride this thing. I guess if you want to get a $17 penny board, Wish.com. Wah! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a blast making it. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed, you like, you leave a comment below, and then hashtag notification squad, you know what to do. Leave it in the comment below, and we will pick a winner and send you a prize package. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope that each and every single one of you are learning how to skateboard. Get all of your skateboard gear at brailleskateboarding.com and get on the board and have a blast like we are. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you check out all the other videos in the playlist. Hi.